Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing load points so you know what must hold weight. Check pilings, stringers, and deck boards for rot or movement. Once noted, stabilize the dock with temporary shoring. Use a hydraulic jack and cross braces under sagging sections to lift slightly and align. Make sure to mark compromised pieces and measure spans for replacement. While you work, keep the tide or water level in mind. That timing prevents rework and reduces risk when you cut out failed members. You now replace and reinforce. Remove ruined members back to sound wood, measure accurately, and fit replacement 2X or beam sections so they bear fully on pilings. Use galvanized bolts through members with washers to prevent shear failure, torque bolts to snug, not crush. Once framing is secure, fasten deck boards with 3 coated screws, spacing boards for drainage, about 1/8 gap. As you work, check alignment with a level and add a 1/4 shim where required. You finish by sealing all new wood with a marine-grade preservative to slow moisture ingress. Coat end grain thoroughly. Once cured, test the dock by adding weight gradually, watching for 1/2 or more deflection. Tighten fasteners if small movement shows. If you encounter continued sway or cracking, inspect pilings for looseness. Those often cause symptoms. Sister a beam or replace an unstable piling as needed. Finally, monitor the repaired area for 72 hours and revisit any fasteners or sealant spots that show.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.